Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple clipboard data on Windows 11. Typically, the clipboard is when you finally copy the data to save on temporary location. Sometimes people would like to save the multiple clipboard data. Windows 11 provided this feature. You can enable the clipboard history option to use this feature. Let's learn how you can use the clipboard history feature. So first you have to enable the clipboard history feature. So you have to go to settings. Under the system section, you have to scroll down. Here you have to click on the clipboard. Then you have to enable the clipboard history. Now you can close this window. Now you can copy multiple times. So I have to copy by every paragraph. I have copied the 5 paragraph. Now we have to paste into the next page. So we have to just press the Windows key plus V key. This will be open the history section. Here you can check it out, the all clipboard history. You can use what you need. We can just press it. This will be pasted. So in this way you can use the multiple keyboard data on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.